This is your project general page. So this is where you can view all of the details of your project at a quick glance. Along the top here, we have tabs in relation to different areas of the project. Underneath, we have our glance panel. This shows us our project progress score, our project team, driver diagram, any measures and charts, or PDSAs that we may have. Below there, we have the details of our project. So our title, problem, aim, rationale, the status, start date and end date, and location. It also shows us any tags or priorities we may have linked. All of this information here is editable. If you click on this edit button here, you can make any changes you wish. You're also able to change the status of your project. You can mark it as completed, cancelled, or active. Please note that if you do mark it as completed or cancelled, it is not deleted off the system. Make sure you press save if you make any changes. Along the right-hand side of the screen, we have our members panel. Now this gives us a list of our members and the rights they have. It's also a way to invite new members. Up here, we're able to change the privacy of our project. Currently, we have it on only members can view, but if we so wish, we can change it to everybody can view. Underneath the members panel, we have these three icons here. So this first one is our timeline. So this shows us information such as when the project was started, when the progress score was changed, and when any measures or PDSAs were added. You're also able to add to the timeline. So to do that, click this Add to Timeline button here. We can then add in a status update, a status change, or a progress score change. The icon underneath is our document area. So this is where we can upload any files or images that are relevant to our project. This megaphone item here is where we notify our project team. We can come here, write a message, click Notify Project Team, and it will send an email directly to everybody participating within this project. It will also automatically populate a project notice board within your discussion area. Back on the main page, we have this blue Actions button. If we click there, we're able to run reports on our project, as well as pin this project to our Start page. We also have admin actions to be able to delete the project if necessary. Please note that only admins are able to do this.